been a busy week, huh? Everybody in MWE knows it. Ian is back. Urban is back. Pack is back. The people I killed myself are back. I put their heads in chairs and I slammed a chair on top of it and they're back. They're back from the dead. But I retained against Blozo. And I have a major announcement right now, and that is that I have a new title belt after Blozo snapped my last one right down the center. And about your challenge, Urban, I accept your challenge. I'm ready to defend this belt against you, and I'm gonna put you back in the ground if I need to. And that will be next week at the first ever MWE Outrage. Who am I kidding, man? This doesn't matter, man. I put your head in the chair, Urban, and your back. I put Ian's head in a chair, slammed another chair on top of it, and he's back. I spent my entire life chasing this, and now Ian and Urban are back. My actions have no consequences. What are you doing, fella? Oh, have I seen a ghost? Must have been drinking too much Guinness. You're Ian, aren't you?
I'm looking for information, and I know you wouldn't know nothing, newbie. Viano Verde.
Hey, that's not my name, fella. My name is Donny O'Shaughnessy, and I know you've been gone for a little while. So how about I reintroduce you to who I am? Newbie. Yeah! Yeah! You got the champion! I knew you could do it! I knew you could do it! Since the day we first met, right here, I knew that you could win that championship all by yourself! Now we've got the dollars, and we got the champion! Yeah! Oh yeah, we will run Chica MWE forever! Already in the ring, Donny O'Shaughnessy, and his opponent, Ian the Ian. Ring the bell, ding ding ding. And a discus clothesline right off the bat. And pendulum elbow. He's taking it to the Irishman. That stomach might already have been upset. And now, it could be even worse. What a stalling suplex.
Give me someone who knows something.
I mean, who can tell Ian the answer is the question. Because clearly, Donnie didn't have, oh my gosh, what a lariat. The answer that Ian was looking for. And now, oh my gosh. Hey, 1, 2, 3. He's on the ropes. And Ian, oh my gosh. Just kneeing him over and over. And finally getting him out of the ring. Here we go. The beats of Shaughnessy. Oh no! Pulling that arm out of socket, might have just pulled it out of socket. Ian holding his chest. Donnie holding that shoulder. He's telling Donnie to get up. And Rough Rider. 1, 2, kick out. He's got more left in him. What a leg drop. This man has a lot of aggression towards everyone, it seems, pretty much nowadays. And oh! He went for a spear and he dropped the knee, and that arm went right into it. And now, oh, doing it again. After twisting that arm, like he got mostly a throat that time. And now, could be looking for it. A sharpshooter. Is Ian gonna tap? No, doesn't look like it. He's inching towards the ropes. One hand out. And he's got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Donnie holds it as long as he possibly can. He's got to chop down this tree. The man from the man farm rakes the eyes. He can't see now. Oh no! Shout out to Dwayne. 1, 2, no! A kick out. And now, hey, he's choking the man out, but he was just going for a choke slam, and now he's got him up. Oh my gosh, the strength! Oh my gosh! 1, 2, no, just a 2.
Bella, what?
Impressive strength from Donny O'Shaughnessy, lifting up the man that the earth kept down in Blozo's hell. And now, oh my gosh, there's no way! Right onto his knee!
Bella!
Now that was even more impressive. He just picked him up in a world's strongest slam position, and he just dropped him straight down on the knee. Go support the Patreon. Subscribe. Oh, he moves out of the way, and he comes through. Reverse DDT. 1, 2, no. What a close pinfall. An insane counter by Ian. He still got it. Even with these new moves, he has new reversals to counter them. Always adapting. And now he spins around. Oh my gosh. And he's doing his own version of it. Right to his chest. It looked like he was trying to lift him up. But now, Irish Curse backbreaker. Going right back after the back. And now, he's doing a reverse one to the lower back of Ian. Oh my gosh, spine buster. 1, 2. Oh, but the back, he couldn't get a proper cover on that one. He almost rode off of Donnie just from the pain that he was feeling. And Donnie able to get that shoulder up and stay in this. Ian stirring, the count does not start. He's going right back on the attack. And now, maybe going for another stalling suplex. And he's got him up. He lands on his feet. Bro, kick to the back of the head. This could be it. This could be it. Ian hasn't been beaten. 1, 2, 3. No. Ian hasn't been beaten in so long. I thought that was it. It's been over a year since Ian has been pinned for a 3 count.
Bella!
And that might have just been the closest time to him losing. And another Irish Curse backbreaker. And another one. The second one this time. And the third, no. Reverses it, riding the line. 1, 2, 3. The winner of this match, Ian the Ian. Once again, another win. This man on a mission.
I want to know.
Hey, cameraman, up here. Burke Angler. I wrote a song for our match next week. It goes something like this. I'm Sonido Jr. You're the fish and I'm the masturbator. In the aquarium, you pay rent. You look like Kurt Angle, but on Fent. The police let me out on parole. To win the Chica title is my goal. Perk, get back in your fishbowl. Yeah!
Enter the future.